Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, December the 10th, 2024. We have, I believe, 3 weeks to go. Yes, till end of this year. We have in today's newspaper 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper we have also an additional. Yes, the additional is back. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, maybe it's old news. Syria is free of its dictator Assad. Yes, in the weekend the rebellion troops has conquered the city Damascus, and Assad is now in Russia. Yeah. Alright, enough about civil war. Let me start with this one. Now, this one will be number 9724. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25, this one is 27, 2 digits more, should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is it a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright, which number can pick? How about 6, okay. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Could be 6, okay. And now, let me see. How about 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 5, okay. Need a 4 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Well. Need a 9 there. Come on. Need a 9 here. How about 1, 2, 9, and a 5. 1, 2, 9, and a 5. Come on. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left on 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left on 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 in the column next, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. Need a 3 here also. Okay, and now, then need a 6 here. 7, need a 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these two boxes. Here's 7 in the first column, no 7 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So third column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7 cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about the number? Come on. 1, 2, and I need a 4. 1, 2, 4, 5. 4, 4. Come on. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8. Then. We have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and a 5. We have 8 and a 5 in the second column. So no 8 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 8 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 5 in a 5. 8 and a 5. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For number 1 is missing. The 2, 3 and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So 1 digit left now in the second column for number 1. 2 is missing. Alright. 1, 5, 4. Then, let me see. Need a 2 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. 1, 4, 5, and I need a 9. Well, 2, 2. Need to think. 2, 2. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, first row. No 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the last column. 2 in that column. So the column 3. Now only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last row. 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column from the third column. Only place left for the 1. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column 3. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row. We have a pair in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in this row, so no 6 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 and a 9 in the middle row, so no 6 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this big square for the 6 and 9 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Hello. 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then let me see. 9, 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. should be there. So I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for the number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Need a 5 there, need a 5 here. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Well, then. Let me see. How about the 8, the 4, and the 9. 8, 4, 9. 2 missing numbers now in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 4, 5. Need a 1, need a 8, need a 7. 7, 8. Come on. 2 missing numbers now in the last row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Come on. 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the 4, we have 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. First row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now, 2 missing numbers in the second row, the 8 and a 5. 8 and a 5 are missing. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 8. 8. Need a 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Need an 8 here. Come on. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 4. I should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 15 minutes. Well, solve it again. Well, maybe talk too much in the beginning. Let me give this a 1 star. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by itself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.